traders, we're looking at ADA, Cardano, however you want to pronounce it. This is a really nice trend, 4-hour time frame. If I pick up the path tool, look at this beautiful pullback in here. Fibonacci, low to high, it's pulled right back into my happy zone. So I'm looking for an entry, a buy entry, and I'll go down to a 15-minute time frame. What I'm looking for specifically is this to continue that. So at the moment, I wouldn't be touching this. However, if we see this continue, we need to see a break of market structure, and then we've got something to go with. So I will be looking at, well, this trend here, and specifically this break of this high right there, the pullback in to retest and fail. I mean, that could be a little bit early, right? You could go down to a 5-minute and get a little bit more detailed with it and wait for 2 breaks. But that would be a thing, guys. Look, if it breaks bullish above this previous high, then I'm long. Now, targets, let's just go out of here for a second. I'll go to a 1H. All right, first target, if that's an entry, long position, assuming that happens, stop loss under the previous low. So there's a 2R target, and I think that's probably about it. Let's just go out and see what it looks like on a weekly time frame. I just want to get my bearings because we're pushing into some highs that haven't been touched before, guys. Okay, here we are. I think all-time highs. Well, actually, what am I talking about? Okay, we're a long way off. Look at this. So, you know, when we have historical data like this, you can mark up these highs here. That's a weekly time frame. Just grab that and look, seriously, there's no end to it at this point. I mean, this could be an amazing opportunity. Let's just pick up these levels here. You know, these are potential targets. We go back down the time frame to our, well, 30 minutes. Let's have a look at that. Thing with this, guys, look, if this takes off and we get what everyone's hoping for, right? Then, no, I didn't. You know, you could look to, right, grab your fib, well, trend-based fib extension. I've got this set up. I'll show you this. Click, and then pull it in the direction. Click, pull it back down to your entry point and click, and I'll show you what I've done with it. You know what? You could go with a wider stop if you're a little bit worried, you know, down below the low if you like. But I'm going to be looking to, if this continues up, you know, just add to my position. Let's just do that. You've got targets, 3R, 4R, 5R, 6R. You know, you can just follow these risk reward, you know, 1 to 5, 1 to 6, and go all the way until you see this do exactly the opposite. So we're trending, and at some stage it's going to find resistance. It'll give you a bit of a fake out, maybe a shake out, you know, and then it starts to break structure bearish, right? Wherever that happens, you know, once you see it break structure bearish, that's an opportunity then to exit, right? But while this is trending, follow it up, guys, until you see it ranging, and then, you know, you see lower highs and lower lows kicking in on the lower time frame on a 15-minute time frame, something like that. So yeah, I mean, look, that's my take on Cardano. I'm bullish. Bitcoin's taken off with a bit of a vengeance. I am a little bit nervous because it is reaching into all-time highs and it's well and truly overextended. And look, if Bitcoin decides to do a flip, in other words, it pulls back looking for liquidity, basically, and we could get a fairly deep pullback. Well, we could see everything else follow suit, right? So yeah, just be really careful with this. So guys, let's see a break of this first. A break of this horizontal, if you like, back down into this high, and that's a possible buy opportunity, Cardano. Yeah, so guys, I mean, that's what I'm looking at the moment to see if we get a breakout. Now, what I want to show you is how you can get involved trading Cardano. If we go over here, it's going to open up a 15-minute chart. I was looking at this earlier. I've done a full video on this, but you want these signals, okay? So before this breaks out bullish, have a look back here, for example. See how we got a bit of a pullback? You want the combination of 2 signals that we have with our indicators here. You want this up triangle HTF, higher time frame. That's giving us 6 higher time frames. And you want this bullish alert here as well. This is giving us, well, this gives us 6 higher time frame trends. And this alert here gives us 6 higher time frame momentum strength. So you want a combination of strong momentum and everything trending together. So these two signals, when they go off near each other, we're in. We take the trade. All right, now I've done a video on this. In fact, at the end of this video, by now you should see a link to the video how to trade Cardano coming up on the screen. So with that, guys, comment below, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell, and see you in the next video.